Today we'll be checking out a model in a new home community in Vero Beach, but they also offer to build some of these homes in Palm Beach, Port St. Lucie, and Stewart. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Raphael Gonzalez and I'm a real estate agent that specializes in new construction. So if you're looking for a new home here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and reach out to me and I'll be able to help you. So here we have the Reverence model. The Reverence is a really unique floor plan and it's going to give you 2,669 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and an office with its own walk-in closet, 3 bathrooms with one of them being a Jack and Jill for the 2 secondary bedrooms up front and the other being a cabana and guest bathroom off from the central living space and lanai. You get a 2-car garage plus a golf cart garage / storage area, and you can either get the extended lanai or expand the living room further out. And they offer this home design in multiple different communities in Port St. Lucie and Palm Beach. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in their communities. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. So I hope you enjoyed this home, and as always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into South Florida and want to get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.